Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Art and Cooking. And today I just wanted to make you guys aware of my Etsy shop. I'm going to put a shameless plug in here because Etsy's been doing some weird things. And I went from a very successful shop to barely any traffic. And you gotta, if you don't play their game, just so. But you know what? I mean, I'm all about getting people art supplies and goodies. So here I'm circling my $35 free shipping. If you spend $35 or more, I do offer free shipping for that. If it is, there are physical items, I do have journals and things. I have digital clip art. You can see on the side there the different menus. These are great sellers. People love decorating these for their mixed media. I have digital things like these paper dowel cut aparts. I have some Canva frames and more goes in there. I also have some things for sale on my blog at cynthiamaynard.com that you can click there as well if you didn't want to use Etsy. But here are some examples of digital collections that are in my shop right now at just $2. So obviously a great deal, and you can print them out time and time again. And here are some frames, and I have some digital sentiments and things that you could use in your card making and journaling, and lots of goodies in there. So I just wanted to get that out there. Here I even have some clearance stuff from my Stampin' Up! Papers. I do have a lot of Stampin' Up! Supplies left that I'm going to be posting. So if you want to sort of favorite the shop, and then you'll get notified when I have new products. Here's some Craft Consortium samplers. Those are great sellers. People love to have the samples. Here's an Art by Marlene watercolor paper journal, and then Eileen Hull journals I like to sell. Little tea bags and things to throw in your junk journaling. Again, some watercolor tags that you can decorate. Lots of goodies. So I wanted to make you aware of that. I'll leave the link below and you can click on that, and you know, things are always popping in there. And like I said, clearance stuff pops in there as well because I'm always sort of cleaning things out, and I want stuff to go to a good home. So anyways, just wanted to make you aware of that. Like I said, Etsy's doing some weird things not for buyers, but in terms for sellers, and making it kind of difficult for the small business owner. So I thought I'll use my other platforms to kind of put it out there and just make sure you're aware of that. If you don't want to watch these kinds of videos, that's fine. You can just skip it. But thank you guys for supporting small artists, and I do appreciate that. Art is wonderful, and I want to help other people create as well. So I'm so thankful for art. Thanks. Have a great day.